With the passing years, Cristiano became a symbol of success in the world of football. He transferred to Real Madrid, where he achieved amazing feats, including winning the Champions League multiple times. However, success did not come easily. He faced numerous challenges, including injuries and criticism from the media. Despite this, he never backed down. He worked hard in training, determined to improve himself every day. In the World Cup, he proudly represented Portugal, dreaming of leading his country to victory. In one crucial match, he scored two late goals, making the fans dance with joy. With every trophy and achievement, Cristiano reminded himself that success was not just about titles, but about the inspiration he left behind. He became a role model for youth around the world, teaching them that dreams come true through determination and willpower. Cristiano Ronaldo was not just a football player. He was a living legend whose story would be immortalized in the hearts of all.
Hassan al-Shuki.